Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we give you honest reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with a detailed look at the Garnier Hair Color Nutrisse Nourishing Creme. This product has been making waves in the beauty community, boasting nourishing ingredients and vibrant, long-lasting color. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the key features of this hair color. The Garnier Nutrisse Nourishing Creme comes in the shade 50 Medium Natural Brown, also known as truffle. It's a permanent hair dye that promises to deliver radiant color while nourishing your hair with avocado, olive, and shea oils. Now, let's talk about the application process. The Garnier Nutrisse Nourishing Creme comes with everything you need to achieve salon-quality results at home. Simply mix the colorant with the developer, apply it to your hair, and let it work its magic for the specified amount of time. So, what can you expect in terms of results? Well, based on user reviews and personal experience, this hair color delivers on its promises. It provides rich, even color coverage and effectively covers up gray hairs, leaving you with vibrant, natural-looking locks. One of the standout features of the Garnier Nutrisse Nourishing Creme is its longevity. Unlike some other hair dyes that fade quickly, this one holds up well over time, keeping your color looking fresh and vibrant for weeks on end. And let's not forget about sustainability. Garnier is committed to greener beauty, with products that are cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. Plus, they're making strides towards using more recycled and recyclable packaging. So, in conclusion, if you're looking for a hair color that delivers on both performance and sustainability, the Garnier Hair Color Nutrisse Nourishing Creme is definitely worth a try. With its nourishing formula, long-lasting color, and commitment to sustainability, it's a win-win for your hair and the planet. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, stay beautiful.